Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
In this video, I'm going to show you 2 easy methods to create a website shortcut on desktop. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Open website on a browser, for which you want to create a shortcut. Resize the browser window, by clicking on Restore Down option, which on right top of the window. So that the desktop, and the browser window will be seen on a same screen. Find the icon on the left side of page URL. Click, hold and drag that icon to the desktop, that's it, a shortcut to that website is created on your desktop. Method 2. Copy the URL of the website, that you want to create shortcut, right-click on your desktop, and click on New. Select Shortcut, paste the URL in the column, and click Next. Give a name to that shortcut, and click Finish, and your shortcut to the website is created on desktop. Hope you liked this video. For more information about this tutorial, visit our article. Link provided in the description.